welcome back to the channel. What we got today is Mr. D-Gen Pikus coming at you with Topps Series 1 Tokyo Series. Where did we get these, Mr. Pikus?
eBay.
eBay.
Straight from Japan.
Straight from Japan. We don't know if they were or not.
They were.
Oh, they were.
They were. There's the shipping. See?
There we go. Straight from Japan. All right, Tokyo Series. We're looking at it's the Series 1 stuff, but in this one you are getting some extra goodies in here. You get 2 exclusive inserts per pack for the Tokyo stuff. 16 packs, 14 cards per pack. Let's get after it. I think he's more than me.
The box ripped.
All right, here we go.
That's how fierce he is.
This one's
Get some scotch. Big set.
So he got a couple boxes that we rip in here on set.
All right. Stars of MLB.
Got a pop.
Stars of Japan.
Got a pop.
Yamamoto.
Boom.
Well, we may or may not be ripping both right now.
Oh, in the video, maybe. That's the power of editing.
So Future Star Ellie there.
What's that one right there?
Oh, that's Carl Radke.
He's got.
I've got that
Got
one
a few
already.
of those already.
Yeah. Trout and a Yu Darvish. Stars of Japan. All right, maybe
It only takes one.
it just takes one. Just keep telling ourselves that.
Let's see what else is.
Oh, we got a world dominator.
Uh-huh.
Aaron Judge. Is that torpedo bat or no? No. Dylan Cruz, bound to get a hit sooner or later.
Stop striking out.
All right,
What do we got
Verlander.
here? What do we got here?
It's a Cub. I think it's Dansby Swanson. Oh, Nick Horner. Okay, well, good for him. And Yuki Matsui, Star of Japan. Oh, we got another. Oh, that
looks really
almost
dark.
that
Tokyo
looks
Nights?
dark.
Is that a
Yeah.
Tokyo Nights?
There's 2 there. There is a
Uh-oh,
Tokyo
okay,
Nights right there
okay,
next.
okay.
Shohei.
Is it a
Shohei.
Dodger?
Shohei.
No, it's a Cub.
That's the back of the card?
No, that's the front.
With a C on it like that?
Yeah, that's the Cub. Because it's got their face on it.
Just their face.
Ooh.
Kevin Alcantara,
Okay.
rookie.
I like that.
And we got another Cub. Shota.
I want to sleeve that one.
And
Good things.
Murakami. Star of Japan. Not the Murakami that's doing the.
All right, let's
Go ahead and. Huh?
look at what the crowd sees.
I sorry, my bad.
Yeah, you gotta get to
Okay.
see, like, you gotta bring this over here, like, and close.
Little Matt Chapman, top news.
There's Shohei,
Shohei, Stars of MLB.
unfortunately.
And then Ichiro, Stars of Japan. You never heard of Ichiro? Oh,
That guy.
because he played probably before you were born.
Mark Kayami.
See, there he
There
is.
he is again.
There he is. Brooks Lee and Suzuki. Oh, John Gray too. All right. So far, this is a
Come on, auto.
completely exciting pack. I'm sure you're going to lose viewers at this rate. All it takes is one. There's color in there.
Color.
Color. Okay.
Pinkish.
Oh, wow. It's just the Skeens is never a bad card to get. And Kenta Maeda, Stars of Japan. Oh, purple.
Perps.
Purple's not bad.
Perps.
Oh, backwards Chris Taylor. Uh-oh.
Are you gonna get auto right here?
Oh, well, hold on. Let's see.
Oil.
Little sand glitter Chris Taylor. Julio Rodriguez and Masataka Yoshida. It's a good tease, though, on Top's part, putting that in backwards like that. Alright, Jacob Wilson. Emmanuel Clace, all Top's team. Gunnar Henderson, and an Ichiro, though, on the Mariners this time. Ichiro's got a handful on the Stars of Japan. Okay. Just a regular spring training foil of Bryce Harper, Jose Ramirez, and Shota. All right, we're halfway done. Nothing yet. Oh, and that's another World Tour domination card. Oh, backwards Gurriel.
You might receive some color.
No number on it.
Auto, come on.
Let's see what the... Oh, Will Smith and another foil.
I wonder if that's one.
Nolan Arenado and Senga.
Two exclusive inserts. I wonder if those were your exclusive inserts.
Oh,
Two
man.
foil.
I hope so. Those were amazing hits. Another World Tour dominator coming. Dodger. Mookie. There we go. I don't have that one yet. And Kikuchi. Yes, folks, this is my second Tokyo Series box. When I say I don't have that one yet, I do have a few already. That we know of, yeah. That I've shared with you guys. Okay. Another Topps Now A-Rod. Mookie Stars of MLB and Hideki Matsui Stars of Japan. All right, 3 packs left. No auto, no mem. Nothing so far, just a bunch of semi-fun cards to look at. Santana Topps Now, Dylan Cruz, and Ichiro on the Yankees. I think we have the whole Ichiro set right there, right?
Where is Ohtani? Come on. Ichiro was in the Yankees?
All right, and
Ooh,
back a
two
couple.
backwards.
Oh, the Yankees backwards.
Yankees.
Oh,
That one's not numbered either?
no,
Foil?
nope.
Connor
Wong.
Auto?
Yeah.
Rainbow.
That's Rainbow.
And Yu Darvish.
Not getting any
All right,
numbered or anything.
last pack luck.
Last pack magic.
Maybe I got sent all the reject boxes.
Repackaged for sure.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Don't trust. Don't trust overseas.
Hurston Waldrop. And that's going to be it for this box. Little
Ohtani.
Shohei Star of Japan. All right. Well, thank you. Okay, here we go. Hawks number 2. No time like the present. This one's bound to be better, right? Can't be any worse. Maybe it can. No. Ichiro again on the Yankees. Another World Tour dominator. Let's see what we got here. Cubs.
Rookie.
Kevin Alcantara. James Woods, always a good one.
Boy.
And you Darvish again. Yamamoto on the back here. Too bad it's not on a special card. Rosario on the tops now. Mr. O for Devers. You Darvish this time on the Padres. Shohei walk-off grand slam. One of those looked a little different, didn't it?
That was the future I was looking at.
Oh,
Okay. I saw the future stars with the Giants. I was like, what is that one?
so far 2 Shoheis. Oh, backwards, Drew Romo.
Yeah,
Foil.
Brooks
Brooks
Lee.
Lee and Matsui. World Tour Dominator. Oh, well, that's not going to be an auto. And another Cub, Pete Crow Armstrong. Shohei Stars of Japan.
Not a lot of excitement out there, boys.
No, there's not right now. No, we're just waiting for that
Better pulls out of
one.
these hangers, Series 1 hangers. These Tokyo boxes aren't living up to the hype.
Not this time. Nope.
Start the-
Ichiro
start
on the
the syncing of
Marlins.
the Titanic music on the edit.
Yeah.
Any good?
No, he's going
Shohei Stars of Japan.
down, just like
Yeah.
Campos said, he's going down like the Titanic right
I told Jeremy to start the Titanic
Did you get any more of those?
music.
You
block
Darvish? No.
now. Yeah,
So there's-
Armstrong.
There's got to be a Tokyo Nights in one of these. Hopefully.
Is that your
Need those
exclusive?
black cards.
Backwards ones, but they are
Shohei and Fujiyami.
6 packs. 8 packs.
Oh, it'll be quick. It'll be quick the way these are going. Oh, another World Tour guy.
Ohtani.
Yamamoto.
Yamamoto.
And there's different colors of that.
Mm-hmm. Have you gotten different colors?
Yes. There's another
Related to what team
Kenta.
now?
No, it's like the different variations that. Oh.
Oh, that's
wrong-
numbered.
Oh, numbered.
That's a team.
Numbered
Looks like a team,
Yankees.
though.
Oh, wow. And a Shohei all tops. And a Skeens.
What was that? Number 2.
And a Matsui Stars of Japan.
63 out of 250
Woo.
on the perks.
Wow, that's got to be worth $1.50.
Debbie Downer. What
Jose
a difference
Altuve.
between the- Oh, Nix.
Well, there's no Bo Nix looking cards in here yet, so
Mr. Carter. Year 2. right?
yeah, if it's a future star, yeah. Oh,
No. We get a 4. No number on this one.
Miles Mikolas. Shohei.
Yes. That just paid for everything.
No, we're not dealing in yen.
3 more.
That's right. And it's all about the joy of the rip, though, fans. So, I mean, keep that in mind. We're just hoping that you enjoy watching money just burn, just like this.
Pops literally
I'm telling you, you
turns
can probably put together close to 10 sets right now and sell them for $20 each.
And get part of my money back. Dylan Cruz and Imanaga.
Alright. I have a good feeling about this one.
Yeah,
Can I
well-
say a prayer?
Here's some babies.
Baby Black Jesus. Come on. Ricky Henderson. Rip.
All right. Well, hey, hope you enjoyed that as much as we did.
Woo. All right, there you go. My personal opinion, you guys might want to hold off on these if you have a chance to buy them, but you know, that's just me.
I would agree. Had a better pull out of celebration boxes last week.
So like, subscribe if you made it this far. That was your exclusive look at Top Series 1 MLB Tokyo Series. Stay tuned for more from the PE Boyz office pools. Later.